Morning friends, last period we see the modes of vibration of a stretched string. Now we have to see the construction and working of sonometer. Sonometer is an instrument which is used to measure the unknown frequency of the tuning fork, which vibrates in resonance with the frequency of the vibrating wire. This sonometer consists the experimental arrangement. The figure for the sonometer is as shown in figure. It consists of a rectangular hollow wooden box known as sound box. This is the sound box. The two knife edges, wooden bridges P and Q will be placed on the sonometer, which can be slid along the length of the sonometer. A uniform metal wire which is its one end is tied to the one end of the sonometer. The string will be passes over this pulley and the other end will be attached to the hanger. By placing suitable slotted weights in the hanger, suitable tension is created in the string. This is the construction. That means sonometer consists of a rectangular hollow wooden box known as sound box. The two knife edges or wooden bridges will be placed on the sonometer and it can be slid along the length of the sonometer. A thin and uniform metal wire, whose one end is fixed at the one end of the sonometer, and the string will be passes over this pulley and its free end is attached by the hanger. By placing suitable weight in the hanger, suitable tension is created in the string. This is the construction. In working, we have to plug the wire in the midway between these two bridges, so that the wire is set into vibration. By plugging the wire at its center between these two bridges, or it can be set into vibration by placing vibrating tuning fork near to this wire, so that the vibrations are created in the string, and therefore the string between these two bridges is called as the vibrating length of the bridges. That is, AB is the vibrating length of the bridges. Now we have to adjust the length between these two bridges, the length of the wire between these two bridges, so that the resonance takes place. That is, the wire vibrates with maximum amplitude. That means the frequency of this vibrating string is exactly equal to the frequency of the external periodic force which we have to apply. This is the working of the sonometer. Now the resonance can also be produced by placing a paper rider at the midway between these two bridges. The vibrating tuning fork is placed near to this wire, or whose stem is placed on the sonometer box, and the length between these two bridges will be so adjusted that the frequency of the natural frequency of this string is exactly equal to the frequency of the tuning fork, so that the string will be vibrate with maximum amplitude and the paper rider will be thrown out, and this condition is called as paper rider method. That means this resonance or the resonating length or the vibrating length between these two bridges can also be measured with the help of this paper rider method or the large sound method. That means when the resonance takes place, then the string will be vibrate with maximum amplitude and loud sound will be heard, and with the help of this formula, the length between these two bridges, that is vibrating length of the wire, will be measured with the help of resonance. This is the construction and working of the sonometer.